Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-04, the steering box top bush for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 2-04 steering box top bush for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up the template. Okay, so let's go top view, sketch, circle. Smart dimension, that's going to be 19. 19, beautiful. That's going to extrude out to C3. C3. Done. Now it's going to be another cylinder on top. That's going to be 25. That's going to extrude out to 5. And then another cylinder on top, or another circle. Well, I suppose it's going to be a cylinder, but this one's going to be a cutaway. That's going to be 12, I think it was. Yep, 12. 12. And that's going to be feature, extrude. Wrong one. Through all, and done. Do some steel grey on that one. There we go. And we want to do a little bit of fillet. Probably one will work on that. Yep, one looks good. And that's that piece done. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Very short, but we got there. So that's part 2-04 of the steering box top bush done. If you enjoyed it, click the like button, subscribe, comment. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.